5 email mistakes that kill your career. Welcome to Join English Cafe. I've analyzed emails from hundreds of professionals, and I keep seeing the same 5 mistakes over and over. These aren't just grammar errors, they're reputation killers. Once you know what they are, they're easy to fix. Mistake number 1. Starting emails with "I hope this email finds you well." Everyone uses this phrase. It's meaningless. When someone sees this, they think generic template email. Instead, try: "I hope you're having a productive week. Thanks for taking time to meet yesterday, following up on our conversation." These are more personal and show you care. Mistake number 2. Using "please find attached." This sounds like 1995. Modern communication is conversational but professional. Instead, say, "I've attached the report you requested. Here's the document we discussed. The proposal is attached for your review." They sound professional but human, not like a robot. Mistake number 3. Ending with "let me know if you have any questions." This is passive and lazy. You're putting all responsibility on them. Instead, be specific. "I'll follow up Friday if you need clarification. Feel free to call me if you'd like to discuss this. Could you please review this by Thursday?" Be proactive, not passive. Mistake number 4. Terrible subject lines like "quick question" or "update." These tell them nothing and get ignored. Your subject should be specific. Instead of "quick question," write, "Question about Johnson project deadline." Instead of "update," write, "Marketing results 20% above target." Tell them exactly what's inside your email. Mistake number 5. Using "thanks in advance." This assumes they'll definitely help you, which sounds pushy. Instead, try: "I appreciate your time and consideration. Thank you for looking into this. I'm grateful for any help you can provide." Show respect for their choice. There you have it. 5 email mistakes sabotaging your professional image. Start using these corrections today and watch how differently people respond. Subscribe for more professional English tips. I'll see you in the next video.